Welcome to Module 3 Technology and Tools for Time Management. In this lesson, we are exploring essential time management tools and how to use them effectively in daily work. Technology can either save you time or quietly waste it, depending on how consciously it is used. By the end of this session, you will be able to evaluate useful tools, choose systems that fit your needs, and apply them without overcomplicating your workflow. Let's discuss why tools matter in time management. Time management is not about having more tools, but about using the right ones in the right way. When tools are used well, they help you plan effectively and stay focused on what matters. When tools are used poorly, they create clutter and add unnecessary mental effort. The purpose of any time management tool should be to reduce mental load and bring clarity. If a tool requires constant updating, it may be costing you time rather than saving it. The most effective tools support your work naturally and do not demand constant attention. Let's discuss digital time management tools. Digital time management tools are popular because they are flexible and easy to integrate. Common examples include digital calendars, task management apps, and time tracking tools. Digital calendars help you visualize your day clearly and protect time for high-priority activities. Task management tools allow you to capture tasks in one place and organize them in a structured way. Time tracking tools increase awareness of how time is actually spent. Despite their benefits, digital tools can also become distractions through excessive notifications. Using too many apps or systems at once often reduces efficiency rather than improving it. The key is to keep your digital setup simple and ensure each tool has a clear purpose. Let's discuss analog time management tools. Analog tools remain highly effective and continue to be used by many productive professionals. Notebooks, planners, wall calendars, and handwritten task lists provide structure without digital distractions. Writing tasks by hand often improves clarity and helps reinforce memory and commitment. Physical planners also encourage focus by reducing screen time and interruptions. These tools work particularly well for daily planning, prioritization, and reflection. They are ideal for those who prefer simplicity, structure, and uninterrupted thinking time. Now let's discuss choosing the right system. There is no universal time management system that works for everyone. The best system is the one you can use consistently without resistance or frustration. Digital systems may suit fast-paced or collaborative work, while analog tools often support deeper focus. Many people benefit from a hybrid approach that combines digital scheduling with analog planning. This balance allows flexibility while maintaining clarity and focus. Before choosing a tool, ask yourself whether it saves time and fits naturally into your routine. Let's discuss implementing tools without overcomplicating. When introducing new tools, start small. Each tool should serve a clear purpose and not duplicate another system you already use. Review your tools regularly and remove anything that no longer adds value to your workflow. Consistency is far more important than complexity when it comes to time management systems. To conclude, effective time management tools improve focus, clarity, and control over your time. Both digital and analog tools can be powerful when chosen intentionally and used with purpose. By using tools thoughtfully, you can make time management easier, not harder. In the next lesson we will discuss task automation fundamentals. Stay connected with us. Thank you.